So we're up here at Edith Cavell. It's like at the base of a mountain. This video is not even going to do it justice. Like, you can't even comprehend what it's like to see that. You just can't even grasp it. It's the videos and pictures can't even put into words what this looks like. It's awesome. Gosh, I wish if people could see this. Got the stream here flowing down. It's probably glacier water from north of the snow pack. It's amazing, man. This is cool. Way cool. This is definitely worth the ride. And the ride up here, if you're on a bike, the ride up here was the best riding we've had on this entire trip. Coming up here to Edith was the best roads yet. All right, let's do that. Brandon wants to hike up there. Huh.
I can show you so you don't have to hold that.
Huh.
Zoom as you go up.
Huh. So,
That'd be a good idea.
comparing this road to Iron Mountain Road, what would you say? Funner?
I'd say it's about the same.
Yeah. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Huh. What's up those stairs? Another viewpoint. Should we go check it out?
Heart attack.
Should we go check it or not? Might have a heart attack. Huh. There's little trails everywhere here. Huh? Goes down to a park bench. I don't know. It might, yeah. Maybe. No, well, nah, I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Probably can. We don't break our leg. Should I? Well, kinda. Should I or shouldn't I? Huh. Wow. Very cool. Let's go. All right. Well, this will be my motor vlog for today. We're going to be going back down from Edith Cavell. We're riding down here following Brandon now. He followed me up and I'm following him down. This is quite the road. This should be fun. This is a quite the twisty road. So let's have some fun here. Do it safely. We've had a good day. We started out in, I'm losing track already. Banff, headed out. The hotel sucked. Would never recommend Banff Inn. They're rude. They're just unfriendly. Wasn't a good hotel. Wouldn't stay there again. But tonight we're staying up in Hinton at the Best Western. We still have a few stops. We don't care if we get there late because I don't think there's much to do in Hinton. So we're trying to get a bunch of stuff in now during the day, and we don't care if we get in there 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. Doesn't matter. Next stop, we're going to try and see if we can get on the Jasper Sky Tram. And we stopped at Athabathca Falls. That was cool. Not as cool as Athabathca Falls in Thunder Bay. Wasn't nearly as good as that. But it was all right. Really crowded. Lots of people. We're getting some sun. Look at that. We haven't had service all day. We saw a sign earlier that said no service next 230 kilometers. I mean, nobody really knows what a kilometer is.
No, distance, miles.
But, well, is what it is. Boy, I got my 360 cam kind of high. When I corner, that thing's going to whack a car or something. I wonder if I should lower that down or just risk it. Whee! Big thing here is cars and wildlife. I don't know what scares me more on this road. A car around a corner or wildlife. But this is the best road we have been on the entire trip thus far. This would be comparable to like Iron Mountain Road in Sturgis. So now we're stuck behind two people taking their time, which, they have the right to do. If we have a chance, we'll try and pass them. The scenery up there at Cavell was amazing. I got some video for you up there. It was cool. What else do we have today? We're still going to stop at Patricia Lake, Moline Lake / Canyon, the Sky Tram, and I think that's it. We're not... Sure, that truck was not happy with us, but gosh, it's going under the speed limit, so... Speed limit says 40. I don't know if that's kilometers or miles an hour.
40 kilometers. 50.
Not sure. Roads are a little wet. Gotta take it easy on those. We've had a little mist here. This is really fun doing two with fully load. We got fuel cans full, all of our gear. It'd be really nice if we were empty and didn't have all this crap on. Crazy thing is that even this bike loaded down the way it is and my weight, it handles just amazing. I did scrape my floorboard or peg on the way up. Took a corner and I scraped the left peg already, and I didn't think I'd ever scrape the pegs on this bike, but I mean, it's not sitting up as high as it would with all this gear either, but still. Oh, the roads have dried up. Looks like the little mist didn't hit here. Hey, look, it's off-road. Whee! I don't know. I've heard a lot of people say these Dunlops weren't good in the rain. All we've been in is rain, and here we've got. I mean, this road's damp, and it's gripping it great. I haven't had any kickouts or anything. I mean, we've been in rain this entire trip almost. Every single day it's been raining. And these Trail Max missions have done really well. I'm impressed. I mean, I've heard a lot of people say they sucked in rain. I don't think they do. I think they're actually pretty decent. This road has been a bunch of damp spots going up and back, and we like those signs. That was nice of them. Brandon kicked out a little bit there. I think my rear ABS ticked on there too a little bit. Just like that, we're at the bottom. Left, left.